Welcome y'all, everyone. Welcome to the channel. My name is Paul. Paul Wow, baby. No, I'm just kidding, it's just Paul. And we're working on the van today. I went to Joann's, picked up some fabric, and I'll show you. But today, we are gonna cover up all of that. Not the ceiling, but you know, the arch. So we're gonna cover that up. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do it with, maybe, we'll see. I bought a small section of this stuff. So we'll see how well this goes. It's wide enough to I can fit it around, but we'll see if we can fit it. Let's get straight to work. Actually, before we get into this, I went to the gem fair, picked up some crystals, and they're freaking awesome. This one's celestite. Beautiful blue color. This one's kyanite. I forgot what he called the white stuff. So this one's pyrite. Freaking beautiful. So which one of those crystals were you more attracted to? Let me know down below in the comments. All right, now we're gonna see. Hey, you can't be sitting on that. You always gotta sit on stuff. Look, he likes to be comfy. So let's see. I don't know how this is gonna work. I might have to do the fur just because it's too lumpy. So I've come to the conclusion that we are using this. It's easier to work with. The other one's just too thin. If it has a flat surface, then maybe, but it's not flat. And there's shit in the way, so that I need to cover. So, let me cut a piece. Let me find or make some new holes for some, what do you call them? Yeah, retainer clips or fasteners. So, I'll pull this trim off. Get this out of the way, because behind there are some natural holes that we're gonna use. One second. Got something more sturdy. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Huh, Ozzie? Ozzie, ain't that right, little dude? Little dude. Doing. We've got some natural holes that we're gonna tap into. So we're just gonna pull these clips off, and we'll cut the fur around here. I'll drill a hole right here, here, and up here. And then we'll clip it right here, and then over here. It should be good to go. So I got an amazing idea. Oh, jeez. It's bright as hell. It's hard to hold the fabric up. Where are those? Oh. It's hard to hold the fabric up. So, what I'm gonna use are magnets. Let's see if that'll work. No. Actually, no. That's not gonna hold it up. So I found a bigger magnet. That's definitely holding it up. These little magnets are helping keep it in place. Got another one right there, a clip to hold it up here. Because now I just need to cut it, trim it from back here to make it the perfect size. Nice. All right. Now I need to grab a razor blade and then we just gotta cut it up against there. All right, let's do this. All right. What we got? Nice. Oh yeah. Now, how are we gonna make holes in this? I wonder if we can just force a thing looks like a freaking animal. I wonder if we could just force a clip through. Alright, so I'll try something. Let's see if it'll work. I've got the holes drilled. Can I zoom in? No. Okay. Magnets up. Got some various screwdrivers. Bingo. Let's get a bigger one. Alright, I got it. Used a hammer and a 1/2-inch extension. Alright, I got 3 pins in. 1, 2. Oh, maybe. Oh, 3. Okay, cool. Nice, dude. This is looking sick. Okay, we got a couple more pins to make. I should have done black. So I'm gonna be back tomorrow and finish up the other side. I might get black just to see. I don't know. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Later. What's going on? All right, day 2 of doing this fabric, and I love this. This is so freaking badass. It's so clean too. Like so clean. Can't even see the fasteners. Can you? No. Not at all. It hides all the wood. It's freaking perfect. I love this color. So we're gonna install some on the top right here. And then I also need to drill a hole. I think right here for the 12-volt outlet. Isn't that freaking awesome? That's cool. This is gonna look badass. Freaking badass, dude. Stoked. All right, well, let me come up with a game plan for this because I think I'm gonna do this first before doing the top. That way it's, I don't know, no reason at all. Okay, I outlined the panel that I'm going to be using. I hope that's big. Yeah, that's big enough for this and that. Okay, so, oh man, how am I going to make a hole this big? I might have to go buy a bit. We'll see. Anyways, I outlined the panel there. Made some holes for the bolt holes so I can make sure I don't go past that line right here. So we're just gonna cut a square. In order to do that, we're gonna drill a hole, and then we're gonna get the jigsaw and use the oscillating tool. First, I did this over here when I was drilling holes. I got a magnet to put right here to catch all the shavings. at it. It's looking sketchy. I don't want to have to be sticking my hands in there. That's for shizzle. I'm gonna file it down just a little bit. Might put some tape around here. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. I had to go and help a friend change his battery. But I'm back. Got that hole squared out. Now, before we go any further, I need to make sure that this is gonna fit. Oh shit. Nope. Yeah, it hits the back of it. Damn it. Ugh. Alright, so I've come to the conclusion that I can't put this anywhere over here, because even if I cut into this, I'm pretty sure it's this, literally right behind here. I can't put it here because it's at an angle. So since I already got this, I'm just gonna put a dimmer switch right there. Okay, we're finally ready to mount some fur. Got all the tools I need, got magnets, mount this furry beast. Dope. Dude. Hell yes. With the freaking switch, dude. What? It's fucking rad. I just gotta do the top tomorrow. This one was difficult because there's a big hole right here. Boom, boom, boom. Then the switch. And then I cut it too short. Got a little hole right here. I might have to get another piece. Just stick it right here so it blends in more. That, or I gotta find a way to staple it right there. I wonder if I could do that. Dude, that is awesome. That's slick. It's looking good for sure. Alright, well that's it. I'm gonna call it a night. This thing is freaking rad. I'm pretty happy with it. And I can't wait to do the top. If you're new here, please like, please subscribe. If you're old here, please like, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this. And I'm gonna finish the top in the next couple days. But I appreciate you guys. Ozzie appreciates you. And see you guys on the next one. Later.